How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the KYMRON channel. So right here, we've been working on this a really long time. This is our all-new XL50 wheeled skid steer. This comes in with a 50 horsepower engine by LS Mitron. This one weighs 7,000 pounds. You have auxiliary hydraulics to run just about any attachment you want. The auxiliary hydraulics pump out 19 GPM and does really good, as you can see here, with a trencher. We also have a tree puller attachment hooked up to it, and it does really good with the grading attachment as well. Now keep in mind, all the attachments you see there are aftermarket. We also offer some attachments as well for these, like jackhammers, pallet forks, and so on, but you're going to be able to cross-fit these over to aftermarket attachments that are readily available here in the US as well. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and put this one straight to work. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and cruise around with this and try it out. We'll go over here and pick up some gravel. So I have the machine set up on ISO controls. Some cool things about this is you got the foot pedal. You can switch over and use your foot to operate the gas, or you can hit a switch and use a thumb control here and set the throttle. We'll set the throttle to about 3/4 right there and see what she can do. Really nice machine. Come in and get me a scoop of gravel. That's the thing about it. This machine has a big counterweight on it, so it likes to be loaded down. I'm going to bump it up. Go ahead and put some gravel on the parking lot. This machine will really move if you want it to. We'll demonstrate doing a 360 turn here, no problem. Stops on the dime. See if she'll pop a wheelie. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, guys, so as you can see, this thing does a really good job. I'm really impressed with it. The ISO controls, they're top notch. You also have the H pattern on this machine, but ISO all the way for me personally. That's just kind of what I've always operated on. And guys, you can probably see here in the video, we also have the XL50. We'll be debuting this one in the next video. And guys, that's why you want to subscribe to the channel and check out our website, KYMRONcells.com. We also have dealers around the country and that's going to be KYMRON.com. Go to our dealer page and check them out. So, nice short video here. That's all I've got for the day. Thanks for watching.